Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on the minds of many aspiring business owners: how to start a startup business. If you've ever dreamed of turning your innovative idea into a thriving company, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step roadmap to get you started. Let's jump right in. First things first, it all begins with a great idea. But hold on, not just any idea. You need one that solves a real problem. Ask yourself, what pain points do people face in their daily lives? Maybe it's a faster way to deliver groceries or a smarter app for managing fitness goals. Do your research. Talk to potential customers, survey your friends and family, or even browse online forums. Validate your concept early to avoid wasting time and money. Remember, the best startups aren't built on assumptions. They're built on evidence. Once you've nailed down your idea, it's time to create a solid business plan. This is your blueprint for success. Start by outlining your mission. What does your startup stand for? Then define your target market. Who are your ideal customers? Be specific. Are they tech-savvy millennials, busy parents, or eco-conscious professionals? Next, analyze the competition. What are they doing well? And where can you outshine them? Don't forget the financials. Project your startup costs, revenue streams, and break-even point. Tools like free templates from Score or the Small Business Administration can make this easier. A well-thought-out plan isn't just for you, it's crucial for attracting investors later on. Now let's talk about the legal side of things. This might sound boring, but getting it right from the start can save you headaches down the road. Decide on your business structure. Will you go solo as a sole proprietorship, partner up in an LLC, or incorporate as a C Corp for scalability? Each has its pros and cons, especially when it comes to taxes and liability. Register your business name, get any necessary licenses or permits, and protect your intellectual property with trademarks or patents if needed. Oh, and consult a lawyer or use affordable services like LegalZoom to ensure you're compliant. Trust me, skipping this step is a rookie mistake you don't want to make. Funding. The million-dollar question. Literally, how do you finance your startup? Bootstrapping is a great option if you can fund it yourself through savings or side gigs. It keeps you in control, but if you need more capital, consider pitching to friends and family, applying for small business loans, or exploring crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter. For bigger dreams, venture capital or angel investors might be the way to go. But be prepared with a killer pitch deck that highlights your unique value proposition, market potential, and traction. Remember, investors aren't just buying your product. They're investing in you and your vision. Building a team is next on the list, and it's absolutely vital. You can't do it all alone. Start by identifying key roles. Do you need a tech wizard for development, a marketing guru, or a sales powerhouse? Look for co-founders who complement your skills. Maybe you're the idea person and they handle operations. Use networks like LinkedIn, startup meetups, or accelerators to find talent. And when hiring, prioritize passion and cultural fit over just experience. A motivated team can turn even the toughest challenges into opportunities. All right, you've got the plan, the legal setup, the funding, and the team. Now it's launch time. Develop your minimum viable product, or MVP. This is a basic version of your offering that lets you test the waters without perfection, gather feedback, iterate quickly, and refine based on what users actually want. Marketing is key here. Build buzz on social media, create engaging content, and leverage SEO for your website. Email newsletters, influencer partnerships, and paid ads can help you reach your audience fast. Track your metrics, things like user acquisition costs and retention rates, to measure success and pivot if needed. As your startup grows, focus on scaling sustainably. Automate processes, expand your customer base, and maybe even enter new markets. But watch out for common pitfalls. Burnout is real, so prioritize work-life balance. Cash flow issues can sink even the best ideas, so manage your finances wisely. And always stay adaptable. The business world changes fast. There you have it, folks. A complete guide to starting your startup business. It's not easy, but with persistence and the right strategy, you can turn your dream into reality. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips, and drop a comment below. What's your startup idea? I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and remember, Every big company started small. Go out there and make it happen. See you.